Welcome to the ultimate AI workflow for 2026. If you've been struggling to keep up with the demand for high-quality content, you're looking at the solution. We are going to build a massive library of content using a 5-tool stack that automates everything from the visual prompts to the final export. First up is meta.ai, the undisputed king of unlimited video creation. This site is a powerhouse for creators because it removes all barriers. You can generate high-octane 9:16 vertical shorts or cinematic long-form visuals with zero limitations. The lighting, motion, and 4K detail it produces are top tier, making it the perfect foundation for any professional project. It's fast, it's free, and it's the elite engine your visuals deserve. Next, we need the substance, and for that we use Perplexity AI. This isn't just a chatbot. It's a real-time research engine that scans the live web of 2026. It finds exactly what's trending right now and crafts scripts engineered to hook your audience in the first 3 seconds. It understands viewer psychology and trends, ensuring every word of your script is built for maximum engagement and viral potential. Now we give that script a professional soul with Alphatekxai AI. This is premium multi-API technology that delivers the most ultra-realistic, human-like voiceovers on the planet. Forget robotic sounds. Alphatekxai captures the perfect tone, pace, and emotion for your brand. Whether you're building a student library or a mystery channel, this tool provides that high-end audio quality that keeps viewers coming back for more. The final piece of the editing puzzle is Opus Clip. This is the ultimate efficiency expert. It takes your long videos, identifies the most viral moments using AI, and adds high-engagement captions automatically. It even gives you a viral score, so you know exactly which clips are going to perform. It's a literal cheat code that turns one single project into a massive army of social media assets. And here is the proof of the system. In just one session, we've generated over 100 professional, viral-ready videos. The future of content is automated, and these are the tools that get you there. Start building today. Subscribe for more detailed explanation.